Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now in this video, I'm going to share with you why I recently joined Nexus Rewards. Now if you're not familiar with what Nexus Rewards is, it's basically a cashback and savings portal. This is where people can join, and every time they go shopping, they can either save, get a discount on stuff, or actually get cash back. All right. Now I got introduced to this opportunity about a week ago from another YouTuber, Danny Cash. She got an incredible team, and so when I saw this opportunity, I'm like, yo, this is like dope. Once you join Nexus Rewards as a premium member, which is only $21.95 a month, just call it $22. All right. You actually get access to more cashback apps and savings, and you get more discounts on hotels and medications and going out to eat. But the really cool thing is you are now able to build a monthly income that's basically limitless. All right. So the cool thing is, out of the $21.95 premium membership fee, you're going to get $10 commissions for every person that you get to join as a premium member. Now, why do I like that? Because this is one of the most easiest things to promote. All right. Why do I say that? Because a lot of times you're in different niches, right? There's the weight loss, there's the love life niche, there's the all kinds of niches, and you have to go out and you have to find, your target market. You got to find people that's interested in what you're promoting, which, that's part of the game. But what I like about Nexus Rewards is you can promote this program to the masses. All right. Because ask yourself, who doesn't want to get money back every time they go shopping? Who doesn't want to take advantage of a discount, right? Even like rich people are always looking for discounts and deals, right? So this appeals to a huge amount of people, all right? So when you think about what you're offering, you think about how little it is to cost to actually run this business, $22 a month, and now you're in a position to earn unlimited $10 commissions. And keep in mind, this is a monthly income. All right. So just imagine if you sit there and say, you know what, I'm gonna bust my ass, I want to get 1,000 members. Right. Now keep in mind, this is super easy to promote. Right. So you're like, I want to get 1,000 members. Right. That's $10,000 a month you're gonna get coming into you. Just think about that. Right. Even if you dropped it down and say, I just want to get 100 premium members, that's $1,000. But damn all that, we'll stick with the 1,000 members. All right. So that can get you $10,000 a month. Now, they do have the network marketing aspect to this company, right? So yes, even after you do your, you bring a premium membership, you're getting that $10 commission every month. Now you can get paid for other people when they bring other people in, and they bring people in, and they bring people in, and they bring people in. So that $10,000 a month income that you bring, that you're getting from just bringing in 1,000 people, that's going to go bananas, because most likely them 1,000 people, a big chunk of those people are going to bring in people, and they're going to bring in people, and your monthly income can just be just crazy, right? But let me tell you a little secret. All right, I'm gonna be honest with you. If you decide to jump in and you're a premium member, I wouldn't even think about the money you're gonna get from other people, bringing in people, right? I would just focus on getting them $10 commissions. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Because if you focus on just getting members, right? If you focus on just getting members at $10 a pop, that other money is just gonna blow your mind. Because if you're like, okay, I got 1,000 people on my team, I bring 1,000 premium members in, you're gonna be like, oh, I'm getting $10,000. But when you actually check your earnings, it's going to be something ridiculous. It might be $15,000. It might be $16,000, whatever, right? So I'm really rocking with Nexus Rewards right now because I'm loving the earning potential, and I'm loving the fact that this product is super easy to promote and is actually helping people, right? Like, you promoting it to people, you're basically going up to people saying, hey, you want cash back every time you go shopping? Hey, you want to get some discounts? Next time you need a hotel or your prescriptions, you want to save money? That's what you're promoting, right? That's what you're promoting. So if you wondering or thinking about, like, should you join this if you new to affiliate marketing or trying to make money online, this would be a great place to start, because you can promote it to a lot of people and you can start earning commissions really, really fast with this opportunity. All right. So if you want to check it out and you want to join my team, because like I said, I joined under Danny Cash, which is like phenomenal. And she hooked all of our team members up with lead capture pages and emails if you need them. We have everything you need to get started with making money with Nexus Rewards. So this is why I joined this opportunity. And if you want to get started with it too, you already know what to do. Click the first link in the description of this video and I will see you on the team.